Welcome, my name is Nicholas from the Office Superheroes channel. In this video tutorial, we will show you how to quickly and easily create a bar chart in Excel. Sounds good, right? So let's go ahead and show it together. Excel offers us many different chart types. With charts, you can make your presentation more engaging and transparent. In the previous videos, we showed how to make a pie chart and a line chart. In this video tutorial, we'll show how we made the bar chart we mentioned earlier. We'll use this table as an example. The first step that we need to do is to mark all the cells that we want to have displayed in the chart. We'll click on the Insert tab, which is located on the top bar. We'll go to the Charts section. We will select the bar chart option. Excel offers us several options for chart design. For example, we choose this one. Excel immediately plots the graph in a table for us. Let's show how we can polish our graph. First, we can change the position of our graph, and it's very simple. We click on a space in the chart area. We hold down the left button and we can move the graph to where we need it. We can also adjust the size of the graph. We click in any corner of the graph on one of the small circles. Hold down the left button and we can shrink or enlarge the graph to the size we need. Great. Next, we can change the color and overall design of the chart. We click on a space in the chart. We'll go to the Chart Design tab, which is located on the top bar. We select the Chart Styles tab by clicking on the drop-down arrow. We can now choose the chart style that suits us best. Next, we can change the color of the chart. Again, we go to the Chart Design tab and click on the Chart Color option. We can choose from the menu of colors that Excel offers us. The last thing we can change in our chart is the title. We'll click on the title so that we can edit it and we can write our title. One last thing. The chart in Excel is dynamic, which means that if we change anything in the source table, it will immediately change in the chart. As an example, let's change the t-shirt to a dress. As we can see, the entry immediately changed in the chart. Excellent. What do you say? It was easy. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful to you. If so, let us know via comment or liking. Are you interested in other videos on how to quickly learn how to work with Excel? In that case, don't forget to subscribe. That's all for me. I'm Nicholas from Office Superheroes and I hope to see you in the next video.